So we the members of the stakeholders, the conveners of Community Education and Women Empowerment Foundation. About our target, our main objective is promotion of education in the rural areas, the rural communities, supporting those who are educationally challenged. And we look at the school, where we all passed out from, look at how it's dilapidated. There's nothing that makes it look like academic environment. It doesn't look like learning environment. It's just the field, the garden, the farm. Look at what they call classroom. So our aim is to, instigate people that will come to our aid to make sure that we minister to the educational needs of the rural communities. We want to see how we can renovate all these structures, make the classroom be fitting, make them look like learning environment. So what we do in community education, in as much as we also support in computer digital education, we also need to make the learning environment conducive to learning, and that's what we get towards and continue to solicit for support. We have the clear vision. We have the intellectual stamina to carry on the mission. We also need synergy and support from others, because economically we cannot do it without finance. So we also need funding, support from well-meaning individual philanthropists to help us to make our vision to become a huge success. We cannot bring our vision to reality, to actuality, without your general support. That's why we are appealing to all of you to come to our assistance. Let us together make education accessible to the future, even in our rural communities, even in our local villages. If we fail to empower these children, we are endangering even our own future, because the people who refuse to empower will turn out tomorrow to be the problem for all of us. So we all need to do what is right. Let us make sacrifices. Let us donate, even later from our meager income, to wipe away these tears, to carry out our educational outreach, which is our own mission. The missionary work must continue, and we need your support. Ambassador, what do you have to say?
Yeah, exactly. You can see the field, a very fantastic one for PEs and other things. Physical education, see the vegetation, very okay. But the classroom, I wonder why the students of now, will they be able to sit under the tree for learning? This place has produced lots of graduates, doctors of all kinds. Here, people have emerged so wonderfully in various disciplines. But when looking at this place, it makes one to cry, to shed tears. This almighty Amasco, nothing to show off, nothing to show. The buildings are fallen, they sing nowhere. Where will the children of today sit to learn? And people are taking their children away from this community. It is a very big slap. This is a clarion call to all Amana toys people, wherever they are, Manato and the government. They should contact the government to know that there is no place for learning for these children. Education cannot come from up there. It starts from the grassroots. We then come here to play football, have the vegetation, but no class to study. Please.
No library.
No library, nothing. Laboratory. How would they? Or computer-based anything. They can't even sit. No chairs, nothing. And we expect them to make wonderful results, to be wonderful governors and senators tomorrow.
That's such miracle.
Charity, they say, begins at home. Please let us come back home.
There's no electricity in the school, and then education is becoming largely computer-based. How are they going to get electricity to power even the computers that we're donating to them?
The staff room, nothing.
We're donating computers to them, but they don't have electricity to power the computers.
And this is a very massive environment, which is very, very good for education, but nothing. It's just like an empty box. Please, wherever you are, please run and come. There is urgent need to uphold.
Come and sow the seed of education in the community.
The greater Amasco to the higher heights. Please come.
Our political leaders come to our aid.
Charity, they say, begins at home. This is primary cause of community education and women empowerment. They search and we tell the people to come and do the needful. Please, as you do it, may God bless you. Give your contact.
Do not neglect the value of education. Share. Access key to
and let us save.
Can unlock every key.
The soul of these children. They are the future what? Generation.
The key that unlocks every padlock is education. I stand as a living testimony to this. Bye-bye.